Hi everyone, welcome to Ajiro Tech. So in this video, we'll be looking at the Cambridge IGCSE Paper 2 Data Manipulation October-November 2021, and it's the only variant for this particular month. I have not forgotten it is Information and Communication Technology. So let's go to database. Yes, you are now going to prepare some reports based on assessment result. Okay, dates are to be imported in the format day, month, year. So I'm just going to make this green. Using a suitable database package, import the file N210220. Let's import the file. I'm going to search for my access. That's what I'm using for my database. Open. Click on blank document. So I'm going to store this Ajiro and the DB. I'm going to locate a directory that I'm going to save this in. Obviously, I'm just going to save it in this folder. 21 October, November. I'm going to save it here. I'm going to click on create. I'm going to close this quickly. Now let's go back to the question. All right, training. So let's open it. I'm going to click on external data, new data source, from file to text file, browse to where it is. Okay. Okay. Training, yeah, open. Okay. So we have them here. Next. Now it's comma separated value, so it's going to be here. Ensure you check the first row contain field names. Next. Next. Okay, so I'm going to work with this here. Now, family name to training number text. Yeah, the birth date is the day, month, text, outro. Okay, primary key is going to be training number. So I'm going to choose my own primary key, training number. Next, finish, close. Okay, I'm just messing with you. All right, so okay, I have this here. Place your evidence document. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to quickly check. Okay, they give you a format here, and they give you a format here. In the training record, this is the format. Okay. This is the results format. Okay. All right. So I just want to be sure. Okay. Now place your evidence document a screenshot showing the primary key, field names, and data type used in the table. So obviously I'm going to save this, and I'm going right here. I can switch to design view, and I'm going to take the screenshot for this. Okay. So I have it open here. So I'm just gonna do this, and this is going to be what? Evidence 4. Okay, let me open my evidence document. This will be a good, yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is completed. All right. So we're going to import the other file. So I'm just going to save Let me just go to teacher sheet view. Yeah, I'm going to close it. Click on external data, new data source from file to text file. Browse it, results, open. Okay. It has to be checked on delimiter because it has a CSV there. Check this first row containing that. Next, next. Now, the test date is what we're going to format on design view, so not to worry. Text start time is going to be okay. Subject text version, okay. Duration, mark achieve, pass mark, test type and result. Do not set a primary key. They made that very, very clear. Very clear. Okay. So we're going to save the data. All right. Okay. And so yes, no primary key. Don't let access add a primary key, no primary key, because they made it very, very clear. Don't. Okay. Next, finish, close. Okay. Into justice. Sorry, we've done that. This is for training results. This year will be a good year. Okay. All right. So let's switch to design view, shall we? Save. And right here you can switch. Right. I'm just using here for this video. Previous videos I've been using so many things. So test date. So now let's look at what they want us to do for the test date. They want to be displayed in this day, month, okay, and they give an example just in case you're confused. So I'm going to come here on my format and I'll change it to, okay, then start time. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy it. In exam you just have to type it the way it is. Just type it pico, type it the way it is. Okay. All right. And duration, the same thing. Okay, I think we're good to go. So save it. Okay, so we have this here. Okay, start time, duration. Okay. Place your evidence document showing the field name and data type used on the table. Going to save, switch to design view. Okay. All right. Going to take the screenshot. This is going to be evidence what? Evidence 5. Click on file, click on save. Create a one-to-many relationship between trainee number, the training table, into close database tools, relationship, ports. Okay, so we have training number in the training table, then student ID. Training number in the training table and student ID. Obviously, this is the screenshot they want you to take, but you know me, I don't like, I just like to do extra. Okay, I'm gonna take a screenshot. Screenshot. I'm gonna take a screenshot. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Okay, I'm just going to take screenshot. It's gonna be evidence 6. Okay, yeah, if they're showing the type of relationship between two tables, yeah, evidences, we've done that. Add the following details as a new record in the training table. Okay, save, close. Okay, so we're going to add a new record. So while you're going to click here, okay, it's going to make it, just going to do this. Copy. All right. Wow. This is the beauty of creating. The moment you did this, it created a relationship for it. And we already have some clients already for this person. And we already have trainees for them. We already have their results for this trainee already. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is completed. Save. Close. Now, using fields from the training table only produce a tabular report that. Okay, so let's create the fields. Now, for every time you want to create a report, a label, you have to create, you have to first of all create a query. Okay, so that is the sequence. You want to create a label, when you create a report, you have to create a query. Okay, query are extractions of data from your table. Okay, okay, so let's create a query. Create query wizard, simple query. So we have first name, family name, birth date, trainee job, training provider. Are we surprised? Remember, it's from the training table only. Okay, so we just have the first name, family name, the birth date, training job, and training provider. Okay. Next, what is the title? Copy this. Okay. Now, if yours is not working for whatever reason, all you have to do is you're trying to save, it doesn't save. Don't worry. Okay. Just type anything. You could type alone. Right. You just type your name. You just save it like that. Right. And then what you have to do is close. And then right here, you right click and you click on rename. Okay. All right. So let's show some criteria. So I'm going to, let me put this to, switch it to design view. Now, training provider includes the text digital. Now I want to explain something for you real quick. Training provider includes the text digital. Now what this simply means is in every test, they have to be, in every word, they have to be that particular text digital. Okay, so obviously I've talked about the wildcard. I'm still going to talk about it in every video. I have to talk about it. Yes, I know. Okay, so we have digital, then asterisk. This means starting. Then we have asterisk digital. This means ending. Then we have asterisk digital. This means includes. Yeah. Where did I go to? No, don't do that. Okay. Yeah, so we have this here. Just gonna make it red. Yes, so we have it here. Okay. Now, so let's, with that understanding, so let's begin. So I'm just going to copy this and training provider. Okay, I want you guys to see this. Asterisk. See that right here, right? Okay, one. So we have 131 records. Birth date is 2003, being specific. One. Okay, what just happened? What just happened? So let me take this off to know what happened. Okay, so said the birth date is in. Okay, so is in, and what this means, probably I can just open my slide and I'm going to show you what is in, because obviously what this means is all the birth date has to have 2003, right? So I'm just going to, okay, so this is what I'm talking about, what we call our search criteria. Now they said the question is it has to be in 2003, right? So obviously I type 2003, that's the first thing you do, you get an error message like, just what just happened, so obviously coming now to understand what it is, it simply means that it has to be in 2003, right? Or whatever. So this simply means that it has to be between this particular month to this particular month. So obviously if it's going to be 2003, obviously it has to be from January to December in 2003. Does that make sense? Okay, I think I'm communicating. Yeah, I think you get it. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to show you a sample So you have between 01 slash 01 no slash 01 slash 2003 and 31st slash 12 slash 2003. So obviously it is the date, the birth date is in 2003. Yeah, hope you get it. I'm just going to copy it. Thank you very, very much for your time. Thank you for your time. Sunday. Okay, so we have this here. Okay, so now without understanding, gentlemen and gentle ladies, okay, let's begin. We'll paste this here. Okay, do I need to? Yes, and I'm going to run it. So we have all of them in 2003. That's what we want. Are we defeated? Okay, yeah, so it's completed. Now, show only the following fields. We have done that, although we're going to begin in the report. So yes, we have done for the query aspect. We're done with it. We're just going to save it. No, I see something. Okay, I'm going to save it. Save, close. It's a good day in the office. Okay, report wizard. Now we're going to move everything in that query. Next. Do not group the group data. The emphasis on not. Okay. So we have it here. Next. What are we sorting? Sort data into ascending order of training provider. Just want to mess up my work. You know. Yes, ascending order of training provider. Of course, is the tabular report. Orientation is portrait. Okay. Yes. Digital only. Yeah, digital works program. Okay. So that's the whole essence of the query. Moving everything, and then we can preview our work. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to close this. Switch this to layout view. I like working with layout view. They said include only the text and display at the larger font size, fully visible at the top of the page. Just going to click here, format, make it 30. Okay, bold. Well, okay, so let's start arranging our work. Let's start arranging. Set. Okay, so the first thing we have is first name, right? So let's move this here. So we have the first name. Then we have family name. Then we have birth date. Okay. Then we have what again? Training job, trainee job. Okay. Okay, what else do you want from me? Okay. Okay, so we've done this. The Lord is my shepherd. Yeah, so has your name, center number, and candidate number on the report. Now it has to be on the report. So whichever way you want to do it, are you doing it in the page footer, the report footer? I think it's up to you at this point, but let's do it at the page footer, shall we? Okay, just going to adjust this a bit. Okay. Agile, ND, comma. Set number is EN017. If you're watching my videos, you know that A for Agile, N for ND. Candidate number is 2023, which happens to be the year I decided to be doing all the videos. Don't blame me, guys. Where has it been all this while? You know, get everything around somewhere. Okay. So okay, so we have this. All right. Think we're good to go. Going to save this. Going direct to the print preview. Everything seems fine, you know, and yeah, it's a good day in the office, you know. So print out two. This is a report. I used to differentiate them, but you get it. So has your name? Yes. So this is for print out two. So click on print. Going to look for where it is. Make you rain on your stand. Never give a Sunday. Print out two. Okay, so this is completed. Okay. So let's close this. Using field from both tables, produce a tabular report. Okay. Let's talk about the query first. Okay. Before we talk about the report. All right. So let's create it. Now, when I see things like this, I don't like concerning myself with so many things. Let's do one thing at a time. Let's just create the query. Okay. Right. Okay. So I'll click on create and query wizard, a simple query wizard for both tables. So don't tamper with the query. Be careful, it is on the query, don't tamper with it. So tamper with only the table. Remember, you're going to produce from both tables, not from both queries, or from both tables, or not from the query. There's a difference, okay? You get it? I know you do. Okay, first name. So this will be trainee. Family name. Test dates. Okay, test date, test day, start time, mark achieved, percentage mark. We're going to create a field for that. Result. Okay, so we have first name, family name, subject, test date, test day, start time, mark achieved. Okay, next. What's the title? Weekend testing. Okay, we're going to Alright, so we're done with this. Now the next thing we're going to do is let's run the criteria. Test date is Saturday or Sunday. Yes. 1164 records. Are you kidding me? Okay, design view. So the test day, okay. So yes, just one day, 80 records. Mark achieved is 25 or more. So mark achieved 25 or more. Greater than equals to 25. 40 records. Okay, so we're done with our query, our first set of query. Now we're going to create a new field, percentage marks, which is calculated at one time. This field will calculate the mark achieved divided by the total marks. Okay, marks achieved is here. Total mark is not part of the field, okay, and be displayed as a percentage with 0 decimal places. I've never seen a percentage. Okay, but all right. All right. So we have this. So let's create a new field. Save. Design view. Can we go? Can we go? Can we? I'm going to click on the builder, or you could just right click and click on build, whichever one suits you. Now we're doing something different. So let's do that. Okay, let's do that. So we have calculate the mark achieved. I have the mark achieved here divided by the total marks. Now where is the total marks? Total marks should be I'm going to open my database, my table. Now all this is called database objects. Yeah, see after me, database object. Yeah, I think it's in the results. I'm not sure. Divided by total marks. Do we have it here? Yes, we do. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this. Copy. Paste. Now we're going to do purpose sheet because this is obviously going to be in percentage. We're going to change it to percentage. Percent, yes. And we're going to run it. In 0 decimal places. Yep. In 0 decimal places. Yes. 0 decimal places. Okay. Yes, so percentage can be in decimal places. You can have 64.3 just percent. So yeah. Okay, so as a percentage with 0 decimal places. Okay. Okay. I'm going to close this. Okay, so yeah. Okay, we're done with this. So obviously students who failed had less than 60%. Okay, had less than, okay, I think they know how to do it. So I think we're done with this. So let's create a report without wasting time. Save, close, click on create report wizard. Now this is for weekend testing. So we're just gonna We're just going to move everything because obviously we're going to have to do some sorting. So, okay. Now this is a group data. I said do not group the data. This is a group data. Ungroup it. So we are sorting what? Sort the data in ascending order of test day. No. And descending order of subjects. Okay. Ascending order of test day and descending order of subject. The orientation is going to be landscape, and it's going to have weekend testing, copy, switch to layout view, make this 30. I want to check, did they say we should just in a larger font fully display at the top of the page? So yeah, so it gives us a chance to do what we want to do. I'm just going to make it area. So what have we done so far? So let's sort it. First name, family name, okay, family name, subject, test, test date, okay. Obviously when it comes to values, just make it here, test day, start time, okay, write your own format. These are your alignments. Okay, what else? Start time, mark achieved, then we have percentage, and then we have results. Okay, so calculate the number of tests and display it as an integer below the subject column. at the end of the report. Okay. Okay. So we're going to click on report layout design. So at the end of the day, 40 tests. 40 tests was conducted. Okay. Total tests completed. Copy. I'm going to switch this to design view. Click on click the label, paste it here. Okay. And the same thing, let's just switch this. Let's just get everything done. Display only your name, center number, and candidate number in the footer, so it appears in the same position every page. Make sure no other data is displayed in the footer. They've had enough of page number and date. Okay, so only your name, center number, and candidate number. Okay, so let's adhere to that. Okay, so delete. So I'm just gonna make it center. Okay, Ajiro ND, AN 017, 2023. Okay, centralize. Oh, make it 14. Make it 14. Okay, all right. I've just been messing around in this video. Okay, I hope you guys are having fun though. All right. So we have this. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay. So home, switch to layout view. Now remember, this is going to be where subject column. Click on format. Okay. Save and print your report. Save. Switch to print preview. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Show no other text is cutting. Your name appears alone. No other. Okay. So what are we printing this to? This is going to be print out 3. Copy. Print and show your printing to PDF. I guess this is it. I want to be sure. Yes, this is it. Print out 3. Okay. Yeah. All right. Save and print your report. This is a report. Make sure your name is there in the report. Now, place in your evidence document a screenshot showing database formula used to calculate the numbers of tests. Until I'm going to switch to design view, and I'm going to quickly calculate this. Okay. Take a screenshot of this. Snip of this. Okay. So this is going to be where evidence 7 to be in my evidence 7. Okay. Okay, so we are done with this. And we are done with this paper. So we're just quickly going to print. We're going to quickly print. This is save, close. So we're going to quickly print the evidence document. I think this is 3 pages. Yeah, it can be 3 pages. It's fine. Okay. I think spaces just have to be here. So click on file, click on save, click on file, click on print. Okay. Okay. I'm going to print this. I'm going to choose. Okay. I think no. Now this is going to be okay. So this should be tax 5 then. Yeah. So print out 6, copy. Okay, print out 6. So yes, we are done. We can just open it, the printout 6, to ensure that they are legible. Very important. You want to be sure that your examiners can see it. There's no argument on what is this, you know, and yep, you can see this. It's clear. Okay, so I think we are finally done with everything on this paper. So please, it's not just that you have to just watch. Please like and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos. Bye.